In this Marketing Minute video, we're going to talk about the use of emojis. Have a look at these 3 sentences. The top one with a full stop, the exclamation mark, and the smiley face emoji. Look, it's the same message, but they convey different feelings. I know which one wins, in my eyes at least anyway. The sentiment's the same, but the feelings are different. Emojis can't replace words, but they can definitely give that little bit of extra oomph. They can provide, dare I say it, the cherry on the top. Emojis are fun. They can add a blip of colour, a clash of personality, to even the most boring email. They can spruce up a social media post, and they can even convey certain messages and emotions better than words. So we all know how to find emojis on our mobile phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, but how do we use them on desktop? Well, you can always go to Google, type in the emoji, copy it and paste it into your message. But if you're going to use them quite a bit to develop personality for your brand and for your business, you'll get sick of using that clunky process. But thankfully, there's a way to do it on your desktop. I only found this out the other day and I thought I'd share it with you. Do you know if you use Windows, all you have to do is use the shortcut Windows plus full stop or Windows plus semicolon. And if you're on a Mac, you have to go with Control plus Command plus spacebar. And voila, the emojis are in front of you and you can start using them as much as you like.